This is a 13 Weather Impact Alert.
Good Thursday evening, West Michigan. I'm meteorologist Blake Hansen here on 13 Plus, or not 13 Plus, on our regular programming now. The reason why we are cutting in is that the National Weather Service has just issued a tornado warning for parts of Ottawa, Muskegon, and also into Newaygo County, it appears. We're going to take a look at this tornado warning. This is radar indicated, so no confirmation of a tornado on the ground, but there's definitely enough spin and rotation in these storms that are progressing at the lakeshore here that the National Weather Service has gone ahead and issued a tornado warning again for Muskegon, Newaygo, and Ottawa County until 10:15 this evening. This is radar indicated. There's also the potential for hail upwards of an inch in diameter. As we go towards velocity here, as we try to take a look here, you can see that what's happening is that we have this main line coming through the heart of Lake Michigan right now. This is the line. This is what's providing, at the very least, some strong straight line winds. But what we'll be watching over the next 30 minutes or so as this starts to approach the lakeshore itself is for some notches within this line. Now, if you remember from late March, that severe weather event we had in late March across West Michigan, we had a similar situation where we had a line of thunderstorms come through and there were little notches along that line that allowed for spin-up tornadoes to occur. We had nearly 13 tornadoes back on March 30th across the state, but it is this line right here that we're keeping a close eye on. This is velocity, so a sampling of wind in our atmosphere. All of this in green is towards the radar site, and for us in West Michigan, that radar site is located at the Ford International Airport, just to the southeast of downtown Grand Rapids. The red shade you see here, that is outbound winds or away from the lakeshore, and we will be watching for any little notch up and down that line over the course of the next 30 minutes as this approaches the area. We have the view out in Grand Haven, a lot of lightning associated with this cluster of thunderstorm activity pushing through the area. We also have numerous severe thunderstorm warnings that are ongoing across the lakeshore. We have a separate severe thunderstorm warning across Mason, also in Muskegon, Oceana, and Ottawa County. So Muskegon, you both have a severe thunderstorm warning, and more importantly right now, a tornado warning in effect until 10:15. But we have this broad severe thunderstorm warning up and down the lakeshore for possible winds of 70 miles per hour. And then here's the other severe thunderstorm warning for Allegan and Van Buren County. That's going to be progressing in here. This goes all the way until 11 this evening for both 70 mile per hour wind gusts and hail almost near 2 inches in diameter. 1 3/4 of an inch diameter hail. To put that in perspective, that is golf ball size hail. So this storm is providing a wide range of possible impacts, both in the way of straight line wind, hail, and there is still the threat of a possible tornado for these storms that are progressing into parts of Ottawa and, I should say, Allegan and Van Buren County. But we're really focused on here our tornado warning that is now in effect for parts of Muskegon, northern Ottawa, and also into southwestern Newaygo County. This is the tornado warning. You can see the polygon right here. There it is, as we're watching this line of thunderstorms progress onto the lakeshore within the next few minutes. This warning goes until 10:15 this evening. So this is about a good 40 minutes of this tornado warning, again, for Muskegon, parts of Ottawa, northern Ottawa, and southwestern Newaygo County. And you can see what we're concerned about here. This is the line that we're watching right here. Notice how this is kind of what we call bowing out. This is kind of curving out, and on the apex of this bow right here, you see some of these brighter shades of green, definitely indicating some strong straight line winds at the very least. But the concern here, as this bowing of the line continues to progress north and eastward towards Grand Haven, towards Muskegon, that there could be some individual brief notches along that line, allowing for some quick spin-ups in our atmosphere. We have some favorable ingredients in our atmosphere this evening to allow that spin in our atmosphere and potentially a quick tornado to reach the ground. Now, I do want to make it clear there is no confirmed tornado. This storm is still generally a couple miles off the lakeshore itself, but it is radar indicated the potential there for a quick spin-up tornado, and the reasoning why the National Weather Service has issued that tornado warning in northern Ottawa County, into Muskegon County, into the southwest half of Newaygo County, because this is going to push a little bit to the east-northeast. So if you are watching in Muskegon County, let's just say all of Ottawa County right now, and also if you're near the Newaygo, Fremont area, it is time to head to that safe space, or safe shelter, whatever place you may be in right now, whether that is your home, you want to get to the lowest level of your home, you shelter under a stairway or a heavy table. You really want to put as many walls between you and the outside of your home. Avoid, obviously, windows. If you could, cover yourself in some blankets, just in case we talk about a confirmed tornado. But I think the biggest thing right now is just to get to that lowest level of your home. If you're in an apartment complex, the safest space in that apartment complex. That is the best rule of thumb right now as we see these strong winds at the very least head towards the lakeshore. And this is the view in Muskegon, now here in Grand Haven.